seconds to start. Attention. 31 seconds down. And 4 minutes and 28 seconds to go. Brian Dickinson with car number 1 is running in first, on pace of 36 laps in 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Sean Dickinson with car number 10 is running in second, on pace of 43 laps in 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Joey Burt with car number 2 is running in third, on pace of 50 laps in 5 minutes and 2 seconds. Attention. 1 minute and 1 second down. And 3 minutes and 58 seconds to go. Joey Burt with car number 2 is running in first, on pace of 52 laps in 5 minutes and 2 seconds. Scott Pierce with car number 7 is running in second, on pace of 48 laps in 5 minutes. Brian Dickinson with car number 1 is running in third, on pace of 46 laps in 5 minutes and 1 second. Attention. 1 minute and 31 seconds down. And 3 minutes and 28 seconds to go. Brian Dickinson with car number 1 is running in first, on pace of 49 laps in 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Sean Dickinson with car number 10 is running in second, on pace of 45 laps in 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Joey Burt with car number 2 is running in third, on pace of 49 laps in 5 minutes and 1 second. Attention. 2 minutes and 1 second down. And 2 minutes and 58 seconds to go. Joey Burt with car number 2 is running in first, on pace of 51 laps in 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Scott Pierce with car number 7 is running in second, on pace of 49 laps in 5 minutes. Brian Dickinson with car number 1 is running in third, on pace of 48 laps in 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Attention. 2 minutes and 31 seconds down. And 2 minutes and 28 seconds to go. Joey Burt with car number 2 is running in first, on pace of 49 laps in 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Brian Dickinson with car number 1 is running in second, on pace of 47 laps in 5 minutes. Scott Pierce with car number 7 is running in third, on pace of 47 laps in 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Attention. 3 minutes and 1 second down. And 1 minute and 58 seconds to go. Brian Dickinson with car number 1 is running in first, on pace of 49 laps in 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Joey Burt with car number 2 is running in second, on pace of 49 laps in 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Scott Pierce with car number 7 is running in third, on pace of 47 laps in 5 minutes and 1 second. Attention. 3 minutes and 31 seconds down. And 1 minute and 28 seconds to go. Brian Dickinson with car number 1 is running in first, on pace of 50 laps in 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Sean Dickinson with car number 10 is running in second, on pace of 45 laps in 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Joey Burt with car number 2 is running in third, on pace of 50 laps in 5 minutes and 5 seconds. regular time for this race is over. Keep racing until I say your name. Scott Pierce, you are done. Matt Freeland, you are done. Joey Berg, you are done. Ashton Hitt, you are done.